Innovative, creative and happy. Greg Ingleton on Cobringa Hills. In my previous role in SA Water, I was introduced to SWAN Systems Save Water through irrigation. I had a trial going at the Adelaide Airport to actually reduce the amount of water that was being used. After that, I actually installed it in 5 councils across Adelaide, and the savings that were achieved from that application were about 30%. We had the equipment installed and the software was tracking irrigation use. At the end of the summer, we found that they'd used about $10,000 too much water on one park. To me, it was a real demonstration of how beneficial the SWAN system can be. It enabled the councils to stick to their budgets, provided a good green open space for the community to kick the ball around. When I moved to Sydney Water, I introduced SWAN there to a number of councils, and it's been going quite successfully there as well. Because it rains a little bit more in Sydney, especially over the last few years, the savings have only been around the 10 to 15% at this stage. But this summer so far, we've seen a real increased savings. Yeah, when there's a dry year or an average year, I'd imagine those savings will be up around that 20 to 30%. As a local example, I live in the Adelaide Hills. A lot of irrigation that occurs in the Adelaide Hills is with bore water and sometimes potable water, which is quite expensive. Both sources are finite. You want to make sure that through irrigation you're maximising the benefit of your water and getting the most out of it, whether it be for cooling and greening, for your garden, or for irrigation and crop yield. So that's where SWAN really comes into its own, where you're able to look at how much water you're using, schedule the irrigation and be able to get the best benefit from that water.